I got you on here today, Belle, so that everyone can know, like they can get an insight of, oh, what is she looking for? What is going to get me to win this retreat?
Yes, for sure. So it's really beautiful to be here with all of you. And I'm so excited for this retreat with Sarah. The elements are something that both of us journey with so deeply and intimately in our day-to-day lives and in the offerings that we bring through. And the experience of this is what really lights me up as well. Because don't get me wrong, I love a deep dive as much as anyone else, and I love soaring high, but I also really value the stepping into the whole of the experience and just being immersed in nature for 3 to 4 days is going to be so beautiful. So key things that we're looking for, and in particular that I'll be keeping my eyes and ears open for with these anonymous applications for this epic giveaway. This is such a luxe experience that you have the opportunity to win, which is so fucking phenomenal. So really key things is who needs this? And I guarantee probably all of us do, because I can certainly feel that for me. And it's also, maybe you're feeling that really strong calling, like Sarah was speaking to. I feel like that's so essential. You've got to feel that fire in your belly, that full fuck yes, this is for me. And maybe the financial situation for you at the moment is that it's quite a stretch for you to lean into this experience, or maybe the finances are just not available for you in this very moment. So we'll be looking for key points like that. But the other thing that really fucking lights me up about this, and this is what I'm going to be seeking in your applications, is who is going to receive this experience wholeheartedly and absolutely make the most of it, not just there in the moment through the retreat, but actually welcome the elements to create inner alchemy within you, create that catalyst of change so that you go back into your day-to-day life with your partner, your family, your children, your clients, the community, whoever it be, but you are embodying that change and you're rippling that through your community. That's what we're looking for. That's what lights me up. And yeah, I'm so excited to dive into all of these applications and hear your stories as well, what you've been moving through over this past year, let's say, and just to be present with you in that way is going to be really cool. So I'm so excited for this process. It's really exciting. Yeah.
It's exciting. It's been fun. At the same time, I've just had so many people really open their hearts and just share some deep stuff. And even just applying for the retreat has had some aha moments for people. And already made some shifts, so it's when you're feeling that way, all you need to do is take action. We just need to start moving in any kind of direction to make changes in our life. So it's been incredible to sit with the people. It's a 15-minute call and we've just had a bit of a chat about it. For those who may want to check out the different options, I'm going to put all the links below. So I'll put the website below so you can actually read through it. I'll put the Facebook post that you will need to share from Soul Breath Movement Facebook page. So head over there, share that. That's a part of the entry. And also the call link so that you can just book straight in to jump on a call with me if you would like to enter. But also so there's these safari tents that there's only 3 left. So that's an option if you're really feeling called to that. Like I said, you can do it by yourself or bring a partner or a friend. But also we have 2 other options. So we've got rent a tent. We have these gorgeous little dome tents that fit 2 stretcher beds. They've got beautiful mattresses, luxurious linen. It's all set up for you. You just rock up and the whole little camping village is set up. We've got 2 little teepee tents as well, one with a full lounge, and this is generally where we've made music. And the other one is a Zen tent. So it's got yoga mats, all the little bits and pieces, cards, and just you can go in there and just chill out. It's kind of the silent tent. So they're available throughout the whole experience to enjoy. And then the third option is BYO. So you can bring your own tent, caravan, whatever you have. It's obviously the cheapest option because you're bringing all your own stuff. And if you do that with 2 people as well, it actually comes down to a really affordable retreat for 3 nights. It is very, very affordable. We've got heaps and tons of fun things to do over the 4 days. We've got guest facilitators coming in and doing things.
I'm so keen for that.
Yeah, I'm excited for that. Murphy's Creek also has this beautiful little eco billabong. So they've created like a little billabong that you can swim in, as well as the creek that flows through the back, which is pumping after all of this rain. And there's actually a little sandbank beach there. So we're doing breath work, yoga, all the juicy things that everyone knows that we're into, cacao ceremony, all that sort of stuff. Is there anything else you want to add that we'll be doing?
Oh, I really want to surprise everyone because there's some really juicy offerings coming through, which we haven't actually like brought these through before. So this is going to be such a treat, especially if you're part of our regular crew who come along to our retreats. Get ready for some epic yumminess.
I really feel like when you create a retreat, you feel the energy of the retreat before you plan it. And so like this has come through to me as like such a high energy vibe community. Just like, I feel like in high school again, almost like, it's just like that. Yeah. Like it's just going to be really pumped and just bring a lot of fun because we're healing through such deep stuff sometimes. And I think we need to bring the lightness back. We need to remember how fun it can be. It doesn't have to be so heavy. Life doesn't have to be so heavy. So we're just going to keep injecting like a shit ton of fun into this fun. It's going to be really cool.
Yeah.
Awesome. All right, we'll leave it there. Thank you for coming on today, Belle. And if anyone has any questions, drop them below. If we forgot to mention anything specific, let us know. And yeah, see you soon. Look forward to all the calls we receive.
Yeah. Take care.
All right, Annie.
Bye.
Bye.